Brothers and sisters in faith, we gather today to contemplate a beautiful hadith of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. In these words, a radiant light is cast upon the path leading to paradise, a path accessible to each and every one of us. The hadith tells us that whoever fulfills three key conditions: belief in Allah and His Messenger, the Prophet Muhammad, offering prayers perfectly, and fasting the holy month of Ramadan, is guaranteed entry into paradise by Allah Almighty. This is a tremendous promise, a beacon of hope for all who strive to live a life pleasing to Allah. Let's delve deeper into these three conditions. Belief in Allah and His Messenger, this is the foundation of our faith. It is the unshakable conviction in the oneness of Allah and the acceptance of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as his final messenger. Offering prayers perfectly. A prayer is the cornerstone of Islam. Performing prayers diligently and with focus strengthens our connection with Allah, reminding us of our purpose in this life. Fasting the holy month of Ramadan. Ramadan is a period of immense spiritual growth. Through fasting, we cultivate empathy, discipline, and self-control, drawing closer to Allah Almighty. These practices may seem simple on the surface, but within them lies a profound commitment to faith. They are a lifelong journey of self-improvement and a testament to our devotion to Allah. This part of the hadith reminds us that paradise is not an unattainable dream reserved for a select few. It is a tangible goal, a promise extended to anyone who embraces Islam and dedicates themselves to its core principles. In the first part, we explored the clear path to paradise laid out in the hadith. But the Prophet, peace be upon him, doesn't stop there. He goes on to reveal a concept that ignites the spirit of striving for excellence within us, the 100 degrees of paradise and the call to jihad. The hadith describes paradise as having 100 degrees, each separated by a vast distance, like the space between the sky and the earth. This signifies the immense scale and variety of rewards that await believers in the afterlife. The Prophet, peace be upon him, introduces the concept of jihad. Here, jihad refers to any effort or struggle undertaken for the sake of Allah. It can encompass acts of warfare in defense of Islam, but also encompasses acts of self-improvement, knowledge-seeking, raising a righteous family, and working honestly. The hadith tells us that those who engage in jihad in Allah's cause occupy a particularly lofty position within paradise. They are on the path towards attaining the highest level, Firdaus. Firdaus holds a special significance. It is the crown jewel of paradise, the closest point to Allah's throne. Here, imagine rivers of blessings flowing, and an environment of unparalleled beauty and serenity. It is the ultimate reward for those who dedicate themselves fully to Allah's will. This part of the hadith challenges us to push beyond the basic requirements for paradise. It ignites a fire within us, a desire to strive for the highest station. It reminds us that our journey in this life is not just about reaching paradise, but about reaching for its most exquisite corner. The hadith we have been exploring paints a magnificent picture, a clear path to paradise for every believer, and the opportunity to reach for an even higher station, the glorious Firdaus. But how do we translate this knowledge into action? Here are some steps we can take. Internalizing the rewards of paradise. Let the beauty and peace of paradise become a constant source of motivation. Visualize yourself in Firdaus, basking in the divine presence of Allah. Allow this vision to fuel your faith and determination. Strengthening our faith and practices. The hadith reminds us of the fundamental practices that lead to paradise. Rededicate yourself to sincere prayer, fulfilling your fasts with devotion, and constantly deepening your understanding of Islam. Making supplication for Firdaus ***. Continually ask Allah Almighty to guide you towards Firdaus. Make this a regular part of your prayers, expressing your sincere desire for the highest level of paradise. Actively engaging in jihad. Seek out opportunities for jihad in its various forms. This could involve actively learning about and practicing your faith, contributing to your community, or striving for self-improvement in all aspects of your life. Remember, the path towards Firdaus is a lifelong journey. There will be challenges and setbacks, but the promise of this magnificent reward should keep us focused and determined. This hadith serves as a powerful reminder that paradise is not just a destination, but a constant motivation to live a life dedicated to Allah. By internalizing its message and taking action, we can all set our sights on the highest station and strive to reach the ultimate fulfillment in the hereafter.